So sometimes we just find ourselves at Harbor Freight and it looks like such a good deal, but I wanted to give you a real comparison. So this is what the piece looks like from Harbor Freight. This is what the Topline piece looks like. What a huge difference. And especially if you turn it around, this is what the Harbor Freight looks like after a couple years of use. I am quite confident that this will stand up much more. Scott, first off, you can feel the plastic is kind of like that rubberized plastic. It has a rubberized handle. It is a much better piece of equipment than the cheap crap you're gonna get at Harbor Freight. Now the cheap crap at Harbor Freight, which I'm throwing out right now, does have a purpose in life. And the one complaint that I do have about this set, which the Harbor Freight set did have, is this really doesn't get that small. Like the smallest drop you get is this 1/8 inch or 2.5 millimeter, which is still kind of a little on the large side. If you're working with like set screws and stuff like that, you might want some smaller ones. You have to pick them up individually. But if you're looking for a great basic set, this is ridiculously cool. It has this nice carrying case if you want to use it. You're delineated between the Metric and the Imperial. I don't think you could go wrong with this. I'd highly recommend it. I actually bought it for myself, not sponsored. I'm using this myself, and as you can tell, I am into my tools. So if you want to get this, there's a link here on the screen or down below. Neither one costs you anything extra to use. If I brought some value to you, please like the video, follow the channel, smash that hype feature if we are here on YouTube. If you have any questions or thought about it, put it in the comments. Let's have a conversation. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.